Google Pixel XL2 and let me show you how to take screenshot on the following device. So at the very beginning, let's start by using your home screen. Let's open the list of all apps. Here let's choose settings, and let's suppose that you would like to save the screen. So all you need to do is just use this combination of keys, power key and volume down. Let's hold down together those two keys, power key and volume down, and release both keys. As soon the following animation pops up. So you just capture the screen. Let me show you again. Let's hold down power key and volume down simultaneously, and you just save the screen. You can also use the second way of taking screenshot. All you need to do is simply press power key and tap screenshot. Let me show you again. Press power key and tap screenshot. If you would like to share, edit, delete, or do whatever you want with your screenshot, you can use this bar, or you can also open the screenshot folder by using the upper bar and tapping screenshot folder, screenshot saved right here. You can also accomplish that by using the home screen, open the list of all apps, choose photos, and here you can find your screenshots. That's it. Here you can also share, edit, delete, or read some information about your screenshot. So that's it, everything went well. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave thumbs up under the video.